again, once again, and welcome to CL Wednesday channel. Okay, my name is Yuan, okay, and I'll be a friendly host for tonight. Yeah, tonight, But anyway, so yes, in the past series where I talk about programming and so on. Okay, but now just like share with you something very interesting, programming for Google. Yeah, Google, I mean, not for the company, but for the spreadsheet app. Yeah, but of course, it's supposed to be a little bit of preparation, and some hard work. Yeah, you could come up with a programming resume that's impressive enough to do, programming for Google. If you do, let me know. Okay. But anyway, more seriously, right? Okay, so I teach you something about how to do programming for Google Spreadsheet. Okay, right. First, this assumes right that you already know how to use Google Documents and you know how to use Google Drive and how to create a spreadsheet, and even know how to use a spreadsheet, things like formula or that. That one I won't cover. You can just check it out in the other YouTube video or whatever. I mean, that's what Google is for. Okay, but anyway, right. So here we go. Okay, let's call this one intro to programming. Okay, programming with Google Apps script. Okay, right. Right, so this is a new spreadsheet, okay. So let's fill in some random numbers, okay. Okay, right. Now, what you need to do first, okay, click on Tool, click on Script Editor. Yeah, so this is for Google Apps Script, and you get to do a lot of interesting things. Okay, so as you can see here, Google Apps Script, okay, you can create a script for Blind Project, Web app, Drive, Spreadsheet, and all the other Google this and Google that. And of course, there's tutorial, build and first script, and so on. Of course, I strongly recommend that you read this. Okay, but for the purpose of this, right, just click on Close, get started. So as you can see, we got a very nice blank screen, right? Okay, so that's a brief walkthrough. Okay, so click on File. You can see File is pretty much has all the things that you need for your Google file, and then Edit, View, Run, Publish, Resource, and of course Help. Right, you can read through all these to get started and find out more. And now here we have right the undo button here, and of course the redo and the indent and the save and deploy web app and current project trigger, run, debug, and my function. And on the left hand side, you just see the name, so you can do anything like these are the .gs name for Google script. You can rename the script, you can delete it and make copy. And of course here is the primary area where you do the write your actual code. Okay, enough of my talk, right? Let's get some coding. Okay, let's say okay, go to spreadsheet app dot get active. Okay, so the var right is this one is basically a keyword to indicate that is whatever type here called variable, right? Okay, generally Google Apps Script, right, follows the JavaScript convention on naming variable, and so that's why you have all the brackets and the semicolon and so on. If again you want to know more about JavaScript, right, feel free to use Google, yeah, to go and find out more about how to use JavaScript and so on. Okay, so now having said that, SS just basically just a convenient naming thing. You can name it like maybe apple or banana or whatever. Okay, but for simplicity's sake, use something that's simpler, to understand like SS. Okay, now create another okay, equals to SS dot okay get let's see yeah, get active sheet. Okay, in case you remember, right, there's a spreadsheet and then there's the active sheet. Okay, so right now what you want to do for this, right, the purpose of this, okay, on here we just want to do something here. Just want to write a code that basically lists out all the values inside this spreadsheet. Okay, so for convenience sake, already just copy and paste this. This is essentially what you need to do. Okay, so I'll just walk through this with you. Okay, so as you can see a sheet, right, you get sheet by name. So sheet 1, okay, where does this come from? It comes from here. Alright, so let's say if I name it, let's say Z, alright, then you will have to rename it as Z. Understand? Very good. Alright, so now why the range, right, I call it A1 to A7. If you know your spreadsheet, right, okay, this one uses the standard like the R1 C1 nomenclature and so on. Yeah, if you don't know what that is, it's okay. It's just a way to denote the the relative location and cell, all that. You can see, right, A1, right, okay, and then there's all the way down to A9. So let me keep it simple from A1 to A9. Alright, okay, now okay, so you can see, okay, so basically this is a loop. Okay, there's an input, the process, and then the output. All right. For now, you don't need to know what this means. Okay, the one important thing is I'll show you how to compile this. Okay, how to run this. Right. So first, let's click on save. Now give it a project. Let's call it a sample code. Okay, and click on OK. Yeah, you see here the status. Okay, and now you're done. Now let's check. See if there's any error in the code. First, we put an intentional error. Okay, let's say we remove this. Okay, now save it. Click on debug. Oh, then the before first you go on, right, you say this app need authorization to run. And that's something very important, okay? Because you see, right, for security measure to make sure it's not just some random hack attack or whatever. The Google want to make sure that you really are the genuine owner who knows. Yeah. Okay, so you'll be authorized. So click on continue. Okay, and then you'll be asked to log in, to your and be asked to request for permission and so on. So just wait and wait. Yes, very good. Okay, so right, so as you see here, this sample code, the app would like to view manage spreadsheet Google Drive. Okay, if you need more questions, you can just click on I, and you find here more info, create new spreadsheet, view, modify, and share. So you see, right, script really have a lot of power. That's why you really need permission, to give a grant explicit permission. Oh, by the way, you don't know what permission is? If you don't know what it is, okay, you can go and find out more again about it on Google as well, because Google Docs like use a concept permissioning. Likewise, this concept permissioning also being applied to the code. Okay, so anyway, just click on accept, and then just wait. Yeah, so it will take a short while. Okay, but don't sorry. So okay, now you see, right, this thing is being authorized. Now you see that there's a bug here, error that is not defined. Okay, and okay, it tells you which line the error happens, line 4. All right, line 4. Okay, so line 4, let's see what happened. Okay, so it's a Z. Why is this an error? Because if there's no quotation mark around it, okay, you can double or single quotation mark, the program will not be able, will think that it's available, but you haven't even declared available in the first place. So let's put some quotation mark around it as we have done here. Save it, and finally debug the thing. Okay, good. Nothing happens now. It's just everything looks okay. So the whole thing works now. Okay. So remember, let's double check. Okay, Z, right? And this script is called Z. Very good. Okay, so let's play this thing now. Alright, let's run it. Okay, and it finished. That's all? No. So you can just click on view. You can check out there are two ways to view the output. Okay, first is execution transcript, and it just tells you all the little things that have happened, starting execution, get active. You can see even the function calls, okay, and the parameters and so on. Yes, it looks like gibberish, and it is kind of gibberish, okay. But what's more important right now is that you want to see your own custom output that you already so painstakingly coded, right? So click on view, click on logs, and there you have it. Okay, you see a timestamp and you see the value of all this listed here. Okay, so check. Okay, 1 to 9. Okay, so yeah, so that's it for today. Okay, we'll in the next series, in the next session, sorry, episode. Okay, we'll show you more about what you can do with all this and why Google Apps Script become more and more powerful it goes. Okay, guys. Okay, so thanks a lot and stay tuned. See ya.